Hello everyone. Today I'm going to discussing about a diffusion model developed by the company called Adobe. So the diffusion model name is a Firefly, Adobe Firefly. So in this diffusion model, there are a few models inserted into the Adobe Firefly. So we can generate Firefly video editor, Firefly image editor, Firefly boards, we can generate soundtracks, we can generate speeches as well. Let's try with one by one with the Adobe Firefly. Here, this is the dashboard. Here we can generate images, videos, vectors as well. Let's try with a prompt. On the left side, we can give settings for the prompt which we are going to generate. Let me try with a prompt to generate an image. I'm giving a prompt to generate an image. Here you can see we can generate image, a video, audio, and vector as well. Generate. In the left side panel, you can change the settings according to your requirement. See, here the models available like Firefly Image 4, Firefly Image 4 Ultra, Image 3, and other models like Flux, Gemini 2.5, Imagine 4, Imagine 3, GPT Image, Runway ML. These are all the models inserted into the Adobe Firefly. You can select content type photo, art, visual intensity. You can change. You can select the composition type. You can upload images to this composition reference. And also you can select the styles and effects by using the settings. You can select the color and tone, lighting, camera angle also. See, this is the image generated by the Adobe Firefly by given prompt. If you want to change the aspect ratio, you can change per video, something like this. This is a 4:3 default aspect ratio. You can change here it to 16:9 aspect ratio and ask for something to generate like which is file related. Just generate. If you want to generate one image, you can select one image here. We'll try with while generating vector images. See, this is the generated image, full HD images. Let me try with generating vector images. Here, you can generate vector images. I'm giving a prompt, something like this. Generate. See, it is showing settings to change for the image. Same like image generation, effects, color and tone. We'll see if we have credits to generate a video. We'll generate a video also. Class under the sky where clouds shift into historical figures and constellations as students point, augmented reality chalk lines, trash myths, and weather fronts. The vector image generated by Adobe Firefly. Let me try with a video prompt. Select a video option to generate a video. And I'm giving a prompt, something like this. Let's see how it is generating a video. It's generating a video. So you can change the settings, something like style, motion, from zoom in, zoom out, move left, camera angles also you can change here. See, this is the video generated by Adobe Firefly. Let's see the video. See, this is the video according to the prompt. Maybe because of free version, the video is not that much clarity. Let's try with other prompt. Complementary, premium feature, enhance prompt, generate. Generating a video. Task done. Let's see the video. This is a video generated by Adobe Firefly. Generate sound effect. See, here you can edit. For this video, you can able to generate sound effect as well. You can add audio track, something like this. You can edit here. This is the advantage of Adobe Firefly. Based on your video, you can generate audio as well. This is all about Adobe Firefly. If